Gyaneshwar from GMC Kamareddy. Now everyone has spoke that not stop until goal is reached. But what is goal? If we ask a layman, they will say that I'll earn this much money, or they will say that I'll buy this car, or else they will say that I'll construct this house. But it is not goal. As per Vivekananda, what is goal? Goal is winning ourselves. जो खुद को क्या हासिल करता है वो ईश्वर से इक्वल है. And we came to know that what is goal. And Vivekananda says that whatever I say, it is taken from the Gita, it is taken from the Upanishad, it is taken from the Vedas. It is not my own. Now we came to know what is goal. Goal is winning ourselves. And everyone should know that what is the purpose of our life, why we are living. If you ask anybody, they will say, I'm doing work for getting food or for shelter. But whatever we will do, we should acquire knowledge and we should serve the nation and we should serve the humanity selflessly. खुद के लिए कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है, अपने देश के लिए सोचना है. अपने इंडियन आर्मी वहाँ पे बॉर्डर पे है, उनको पता है एक दो गोली अगर लगेगी तो जान चला जाएगा, फिर भी they are working there fearlessly because they love our country and they love the work they are doing. That's why they are fearless there. And we know what is goal and what is the purpose of life. Now, how to achieve goal? To achieve goal, our heart should be pure, we need perseverance and we need patience. What is pure soul? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa says, ఒక దీపం అనేది ఉంటుంది, కిరోసిన్ దీపం, అది వెలుతురునిస్తుంది. కొన్ని డేస్ అయ్యాక ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆ గ్లాస్ ఏదైతే అవుతుందో అది నల్లగా మారి ఆ వెలుతురు అనేది బయటికి రాదు. అలాగే we have so many shaktis in our body. We have Icha Shakti, we have Grahana Shakti, we have Bhavana Shakti and we have Smruti Shakti. కానీ ఇవి మనకి ఏదైతే ఆశలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, ఇంకోటి ఏదైతే అహంకారం ఏదైతే ఉందో, కోపం ఏదైతే ఉందో, దీనివల్ల ఆ శక్తులు అన్నిటివి ఏమైతే కవర్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ దట్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ వీ షుడ్ క్లీన్ దట్ ల్యాంప్. అలాగే వీ షుడ్ రిమూవ్ దోస్ ఇంప్యూర్ థాట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ మైండ్. then only that willpower will increase. If we have the willpower, we can achieve anything in our life. One day librarian says, Vivekananda takes books from library and he will return within 2 hours. Librarian gets shocked and he will ask, are you doing show off or what? Then Vivekananda come there and tell him that ask any question from any book. Librarian asks, Vivekananda says every topic exact word to word, even he says the page number also. The librarian gets shocked and he will ask, what is the reason behind this, your photographic memory? Then Vivekananda replies that I have pure soul, I have no lust, I have done meditation and my mind is in my control, so I achieved this thing. Vivekananda says only one thing, take any one idea, live for it, dream for it and work on that. Our brain, our muscle, our nerve, everything should think about that idea. That's it. And the secret behind the true success is we should not think selfishly. Whatever we will do, we should do for nation. प्रकृति को we should learn many things from even ప్రకృతి also. We should ప్రకృతికి ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి బానిస అవ్వదు, ప్రకృతిని మనం బానిస చేసుకోవాలి. And we say that health and wellness, health comes physical and mental health. Vivekananda says, first play football, then read Bhagavad Gita, because you need energy to listen Bhagavad Gita and Vedas. So he says, first build your